What happens when a scrappy, fan-favorite tax service gets acquired by a fintech giant? That's the story of SimpleTax and Wealthsimple. Before the 2019 acquisition that turned SimpleTax into Wealthsimple Tax, these two companies were distinct entities, but they shared a common philosophy: making complicated money stuff, well, simple. For a lot of Canadians, SimpleTax was revolutionary, and understanding what it was before the merger helps explain why the new Wealthsimple Tax is so popular today. SimpleTax was founded in 2012 by a small team, and it quickly became the darling of the DIY tax filing world. But what made it stand out from the likes of TurboTax or UFile? The first key difference was the pricing model. SimpleTax was the ultimate disruptor with a bold pay-what-you-want approach. You could file a simple or a complex return, including self-employment and investment income, and pay $1, $50, or absolutely nothing at all. This wasn't a stripped-down free version with hidden charges for forms. It was the full, premium experience. This model built an enormous amount of goodwill and loyalty, a reputation that Wealthsimple has largely maintained. The second major difference was branding and user experience. SimpleTax was famously minimalist. It had a clean, friendly, almost conversational interface that felt less like dreaded tax software and more like a helpful friend walking you through the T-slips. Their tone was light, their privacy policy was crystal clear, famously promising to never, ever sell your data, and the whole experience was designed to reduce anxiety. It was a standalone product focused on one thing: taxes. Now, compare that to Wealthsimple before the acquisition. Wealthsimple was, and still is, a sophisticated financial ecosystem. They specialized in automated investing, commission-free trading, and high-interest savings accounts. Their brand was polished, modern, and backed by significant venture capital. Their primary mission was building long-term wealth, not just filing a single tax return. So, when Wealthsimple bought SimpleTax in 2019, they were essentially buying the perfect front door to their financial ecosystem. They took the beloved SimpleTax engine, the code, the features, the pay-what-you-want model, and immediately connected it to their other services. The result? The core software remained simple and powerful, but the future strategy shifted. SimpleTax users gained a direct, built-in path to investing their tax refund, while Wealthsimple gained a crucial, top-of-funnel service that got millions of Canadians into their ecosystem every tax season. The SimpleTax of the past was the pure, donation-based, minimalist upstart. The Wealthsimple Tax of today is that same powerful engine, now fueled by the resources of a leading fintech, using tax filing to kickstart your entire financial journey. It's an evolution that's kept the spirit of simplicity alive while massively expanding its reach. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.